Alright, we are heading towards the end of this build, thankfully. It's a very long-winded set of stuff to do. Okay, so just the standard tree reverence to do now. So we're going to start out by doing this one over here. Where are we now? So we're using 3 and 4 as the body plan. Let's get this tidied up. I'm hoping that I can build these last two very quickly now that I really know what I'm doing. There we go, nice and simple. As always, you've just got to kind of wrap the bodies around each other. The branches, sorry, not the bodies, the branches. Then they will kind of slot together nicely. Okay, let me go grab a body. Now, that's the interesting thing is, what body do I want? I don't think I'm actually restricted by body, to be quite honest. I'm going to just try and grab any random body and see if it works. Be interesting to see if any body will fit any, you know, one of these. Let's see. I'll know quickly enough. Yeah, it doesn't really matter what body you use by the look of it. Either that or I randomly picked out the right body. I don't think I did. I think these are definitely designed to just be universal, which I'm pleased about. Okay, that should speed me up no end. Alright, grab any random of the heads. Now the thing is, it does seem that when I say any random head, you've got to make sure it's got hair on for these. I've noticed there's some bald heads. I'm going to go grab, again, I think any hair will do. I'm not trying to worry about the instructions now because I just don't think it matters. And I prefer when you've got a bit of freedom. Right, snap that hair. Well, the good thing is, I've got spare hair. Snap some hair. Rush in. Should have slowed myself down a bit. It's so difficult when I just want to get done. I've got 100 billion things to do at the moment. Okay, let's get this all sorted out. It's rebelling against me, this stuff now. I've just broke another set of hair. I need to slow myself down, I think. I am not having a good day with this hair, am I? Look, I'm snapping it. I don't know. I just seem to think my hands are shaking at the moment, and I'm just not being careful. That's it, man. Started shaking. I need to go get something to stabilise me a bit. It's what happens when I have too much coffee and not enough water, like pure water and things. Right. My fingers are giving up now. I think give it a second, I'll get these done, and then I'm going to have a long rest before I make any more videos today. Okay, I'm going to give him a chance to kind of settle, and I'll start putting this other one together, so using 7 and 8. I'm looking forward as well, no doubt about it. Looking forward to, I think, the next issue. I think because that's when we got the Boingrots, don't we? Now, I'm currently reading Badloon Rising. Now, so far, I'm finding it an okay book. You know, it's interesting. And it's a short story, which is good, because I just don't think it would have been, you know, as enjoyable if it was a longer book. I think it's probably just about the right length. So it's got quite a few interesting things going on. So yeah, I'm reading Badloon Rising at the moment, so kind of interested to start seeing some Boingrots coming along next. I've noticed a lot of people are transferring their Moonclan Gits though across to rectangular bases ready for the old world, and you know, that's just a personal choice that they're going to have in the end. You know, they're probably one of the few races that are applicable to both. Now, I personally would have loved to find a way to make sure that you've just got some kind of base converter, so you're not having to rebase things, so you can use them in both. We tend to find that's true with things like demons. So demons are really useful in the sense that they can be pretty much in any game of Warhammer. You know, they're so universal. So again, people who want to put them on, I'm going to grab 14 for the body. Yeah, to put them on square bases. I hope someone's out there making a base converter. But it's about whether or not those circular bases are just slightly too big for the new Warhammer. We shall wait and see, shan't we? So pleased that that's universal body plan. I can just grab things and not worry. Okay, I need another Head. Should be one somewhere around here. Sure, there's got to be at least one more head with a bit of hair on the back. None that I can see immediately. Oh yeah, there's one right in the corner. Oh, my back's dying now. And my back's just finally surrendered to the day. Now look how flimsy these little bits of hair are. It's so annoying. I wasn't even doing anything particularly rough with it. I was just holding it and it just snapped. Putting that as a massive down on this kit. It's so easy to break something, isn't it? I'm going to try and repair that one. Let that dry. Right, I'll give that a chance to actually calm itself down and then I'll sort it out. Right, I need 2 weapons, so I'm going to grab this sword. And I'll grab this one here, this one that looks like a pickaxe of some sort. Clawed axe. Okay, let's get these arms glued on. I feel like my back's gonna break. Oh, right. I am almost done and I am so glad because I feel like my back's on fire. I'm gonna have to go do a bit of yoga to unclench it. It's it's my own fault. I should not have done what I did yesterday, which was, after a week of teaching and being sat at my desk doing an online teaching session, and I thought it would be a good idea to then spend an entire day on Starfield. So I deserve my pain at the moment. I think, quite frankly, I had it coming. Right, any of these arms then, by the look of it, 35 and 36 I'll probably go for. Don't know why I've put extra glue on that one, that's just not good. Right, there we go. Let me just pop them onto their bases, and thank goodness this unit's done. What a thankless task. It's just so long-winded, no other way to put it. Let's have a look. You know, better part of an hour building this. In fact, I think it might have pretty much been a whole hour on this unit. Now, it's a lovely looking unit, but I regret the fact that I've got another one of these that I'm going to build as the alternative models, which I'm pretty certain do exist. Right, there we go. True reverence. The entire unit is completed now, and it's a very lovely unit, don't get me wrong. I absolutely adore this faction, so I'm pleased that I've got another set of these to add a bit of, you know, flavour to my units. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you after I have uncracked my back for probably more building.